Namaste and hello friends. My name is Shaurav Upadhyay and I warmly welcome you to AI Catalyst. This is a place where we learn, grow and explore the exciting world of cloud and artificial intelligence together. I work as a cloud solution architect specializing in Microsoft Azure and AI driven architecture. Over the years, I have designed and implement enterprise cloud solution, integrate AI into business application and build modern cloud architecture across different industries here in India and across the globe. My passion has always been to simplify technology and make it useful for everyone, being it a student or a professional. On AI Catalyst, I share practical insights, architecture pattern, and hands-on implementation around Azure AI, RAG implementation, generative AI, cloud infrastructure design, and much more. I will also share my real-world scenarios and tips from my experience, so you can connect theory with practice. My promise to you is simple. Every video will give you clear, practical knowledge that you can apply immediately, whether it's building smart application, optimizing cloud solutions, or understanding how AI is changing industry here in India and around the globe. Friends, if you are ready to accelerate your learning and to be a part of community that believes in innovation and growth, do subscribe to AI Catalyst. Together we will learn, build, innovate. This is AI Catalyst, igniting minds with AI. धन्यवाद.